Hey, welcome. Hello. So I'm Laura, and today's video we are going to dive straight in. I'm heading over to my screen and we are going to look at a way to make a photo look more like pixels. So something just a little bit more fun today. So let's dive over. Right, so here we are on my screen. I've just got a blank Instagram template open in this example. So you go to your home screen, you log into Canva, you can click on custom template, you can click on the, we'll show you, the option over here, create a design, and I've just chosen Instagram post just to get me a blank square. The most commonly used templates in Canva are Instagram, and it's just a lovely blank square that you can use. So we want to head over to the app section here, and in the bar, start typing Pix, and it's this one here, Pixelify. I think that's how you say it, Pixelify. We're going to select this. And it's this one here. It's a yellowy background with a lady wearing a red hat. Now, this will allow you to now choose a photo. It will open up your desktop for you. You can then pick a photo. So I've just got some random headshots of me that I have used for things, and I'm going to select one of these to show you how to work this. Let's go with this one. And it adds it in for me. So I can now see the photo that I'm going to make pixelated. Click pixelate this image, and Canva has done it for me. Okay, so it gives you one other option here to change the sharpness of those pixels. So if I keep going, it's just a normal image. So you really want to have it quite close to the lowest number. Going to go with a 5 here, and then I'm going to click add to design. If I don't like it, if I want to choose another image, I can click start again and it will just refresh it for me. So I'm going to click add to design, and it has added my photo in for me. I have a lot of empty space around me, so I'm just going to crop the photo in. So when I enlarge it, you can see I have a very, very pixelated photo of myself. And there we go. That is it. That is what I wanted to show you today, how to pixelate a photo in Canva. So what did we think? I think that's a great little feature, just something fun and simple for you today, pixelating a photo in Canva. You never know when you might actually need to use this. So please be sure to follow my channel. I'm Laura, Canva creator, digital designer. I love to share tips and tricks on Canva, different features and things that you can use every day and in your business. So please make sure you follow and subscribe to the channel so you get access to all of my videos. That's it from me. I will see you in the next video.